Okay, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial or like a review. I got this in the mail today. It is a light up LED fidget spinner. It is one of them 2-blade spinners like this. It has only 2 blades. Whenever you spin it, it lights up. Now, whenever you stop it, make sure you cover it in case you're in a car and you bring it, because I think the police is behind them or something. So you can get these on Amazon for like $10, $11. And so you just take it and hit it. That's what makes these light up. And this one is going to go off first. That's pretty cool. And so that is your LED fidget spinner. And I'm going to be posting today and tomorrow. Look, it's going to look like that the cops are behind them. See? Like this. You'd be back in the back and you'd be like that. And I'm also giving away sugar scrub. You rub it on your hands and it feels great. So, please subscribe and drop a like if you like this video, and if you didn't, I don't care. But this is a really cool fidget spinner. I have 4, but this is one of my personal favorites because it always lights up. And so I love it how it lights up. And if you don't get a black one, please comment down below what color you get. I'd love to hear what color you got. And I will be going live on Lively in about 5-10 minutes. So I'm also giving away these Be Adventurous envelopes. You have note cards where you can send notes to people. See, you have, like, it says note cards and envelopes, but they're just really, like, okay, here's a note card. It says, be adventurous. You write what you want on here. On the back, it's just blank. So please comment down below what you think.